Good morning. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to apply reflections on a photo in one mobile app. Okay, I'm using reflection in photos can give it a special kind of design. So let me walk you through. If you work with such, this video will walk you through on how to do that in your Word Mobile application. So the first step, as usual, is to access the Word Mobile app. You can swipe up and get to it on my device. You can still do the same on your own device. I can use the final search and type Word for me to get to it, as it is installed already on my smartphone. So I'll tap on it for it to open. Alright, these are some documents I created using this mobile app. So which one am I going to work with? Okay. Alright, let me work with the one with the title Drive CH4. 1D CH4. Alright? Alright, it has some images inside, so I think it's a good one. So I will tap on the edit button. So you tap on your own edit button if you have already documents already created. Now let's assume this image is what I want to work with. The image here. So I will tap on it for it to be selected. Tap. Okay. Now once the image is selected, there are some commands that will show at the bottom of the Word Mobile interface. You can see that below here. But I will prefer to tap on the display option, ribbon display option, so which is the arrow that points up by the bottom right. Okay, that will show me a clear view, or will I say clear names of the commands. Okay, all right. I will tap on the picture effects. All right, you can see shadow and you can see reflection under picture effects. So select reflection, which is what we are working with. So tap on it. Alright. The first command says no reflection. Okay, which is the default status of every photo in your Word mobile app or your Word document. So better I want to apply reflection. Under reflection variations, you can see some kind of reflections you can use. So you can just tap on one of them and see how it will affect this image. As you can see, it has reflection has been applied when I chose one of the reflection samples or commands. Okay, so these are just the few steps you have to take to apply reflection on the photo you have in your Word Mobile app document. Thank you. I hope this helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, leave comments, and like this video. Thank you.